Hello, welcome to day 23rd of 100 days challenge of web development. And today we are going to talk about Bootstrap. We're going to look at how we can use Bootstrap in our coding environment and in which way we can make it so much useful in our daily programming, especially for web development. And that's our main goal today. So let's dive into WordPress and let's see what we can do, as we are having a lot to cover today and a lot to begin with. So let's jump into it. Let's jump into it. Sorry for that. Good, good. Let's jump into it. We should be jumping there. Yep. All right. Great. Now we have our environment, and I think my face is not there yet, so I will move a little bit. No, you can find me here. Okay. Let's edit that quickly so that we continue. I don't know why it's cropped me that much. Okay. All right. This should not be problem. Why is problem today? Okay. I'm good there. I think I'll be okay. All right. One more thing. I should be the way along. Good. So let's go back to code. So we said we are going to focus mostly on the web Bootstrap, and looking at Bootstrap is a way to do web development, but using someone's CSS. So you don't stress about making the CSS yourself. You just go out there, bring a bunch of CSS already set. So now instead of you now starting stressing about how to make the border, the thing, the ABCD, no, you don't stress about that. You just select, choose, follow what they have already preset. And that's what we are going to be focusing much today. That's what we are going to be doing a lot today. And the batteries I love today because everything seems to be interesting. Yeah, good. It's a good day. It's a beautiful day. Good. So now we start from a normal space that we can do a few things, and here is the Bootstrap space. We need to go to Bootstrap. Bootstrap. And you can write that in Google and they will give you that. And when they give you that, you're good to go. So I'm here on the Google. This is Bing actually. I'm not using Google. Okay. So I'm searching Bootstrap and they gave me this. I will just click direct to the first link because Bootstrap has already taken over. So if you like Bootstrap, they would know that you mean this thing. If it doesn't show up on the first, you can look properly, but you need to go to this address. If you can memorize the URL, it's getbootstrap.com. That's all. So there's a couple of ways to integrate Bootstrap in your code. a lot. If you are doing, you can install it using npm, you can install it using gem, but you can also include cdn, where cdn, which we are going to use is this way, to include the address where Bootstrap is placed so that we can be able to start. So I will copy this, I will go back to my environment and say, okay, day 23. And we do almost the same thing. But the next thing, where we have been creating the CSS, we are going to paste this link here. Yeah, this is necessary. But also another thing that is necessary when you are dealing with Bootstrap, we are going to be a little bit adding some more things that we have never done before. So we need to add this thing. Let's keep it there. Let's not stress about it. But it's the quality script. They say it is coming from this because the SRC stand for so. Let's pretend that we don't even know what does that mean, but we need it there. We can do that for now. So if this is all working so far, we have a page that is already set in a certain way because we have a style already, which this style is not, doesn't belong to us. We just connected to a certain good, amazing developers who took their time to build this thing up, and we are able to go in and start using it. And going back to the site now, remember, we are using somebody's product. We need to follow their instruction. This is not about how good you are. This is about how can you listen from other people, because this is a very key for a programmer. You need to be able to listen. So after setting all that, everything is ready. Now we need to look at what can we do with Bootstrap. So look at this. This is part of the thing that you can do. You can have a very special nav, very fancy, looking amazing. You can have a lot. So we are going direct to the examples because that's where we can be able to see what we want. Let's say you want headers, which are the top headers within the content. You have it here. You need to have a feature thing. You need to have a sidebar and the like. I wish we can go with a sidebar too for the intro, because we are doing just the intro today. So if you go to that, listen, these are the ways the sidebar will be looking. These are the way your sidebar you can set to look like, and you can have this in no minute. I can copy this code, and my page will be exactly looking like this in a very few minutes. All right, good. So how do we do that? We do that by specifically going to the doc. We can go to the doc, and now we can be able to see every things with their code, and they are here. The layout is here. You can say, okay, I need the breakpoint. You have them here. No, I need, let's say, where are the sidebars? Let me search the sidebars. Sidebar. And I don't have the forever time. For this video, it has to be as short as 10 minutes. So I will cut it, and I will go back to nav. Make sure that we start small. Nav, we have a different navigation here. This is nav. and I will pick the one that is almost the same as we did last time. Like this one, we have the name, we have the menu, and we have the search. Yeah, we'll pick that one. But I need the one with the already populated code. Where is it? This one. Yeah. So this is already populated code, so I can press here copy, and I will come back to my coding, and I say, you know what? This I need it here. Boom. And with that, if I go back to my page, and if everything is set, now you can see there is something here already set. So I will change the name here. So you don't stress again about whatever. I will say simplicity code. And I have already my menu here, which is, it's going to be like that if the space is small, but if it's big, it's going to be like that. Yeah, I think this is the very good intro for web bootstrap. But if we need any other thing we can add or remove, let's continue from here, and let's build almost the rest of the thing up on top of this, because this is possible. You can do it. I have done it within very few minutes, and I can do a lot with you within a very minimum amount of time. Thank you very much. Remember to share, subscribe, and comment, and also share the word out that we are doing this together. Me and you, we are doing this together, and we can do as much as possible. Let's go beyond our comfort zone and now start creating crazy, hard ones, web app, and I think we can do it. Do you think so? Thank you, my friend.